Bank employees are on a 2-day strike, and here is all that you need to know. Well, the strike was originally called by the United Forum of Bank Unions, which is an umbrella union, comprises of 9 other unions, and this comprises the number of employees who have gone on strike accounts to at least 8 to 10 lakh bank employees across the country. Now, there are multiple branches across the country which are shut and will remain shut tomorrow as well. It is a 2-day strike, so it started in the early morning in the wee hours of 15th March and will continue till 16th March midnight is what we understand. And the overall impact that we have to understand is that, Saturday was also a holiday. It was the second Saturday, so it was a bank holiday. There will be 4 days of gap in the normal banking processes that will be affected. So for 4 days, you may not be able to make deposits, you may not get loan clearances. And we also visited, in fact, a bank branch, SBI branch, and it was shut. Now remember, these banks which will be shut and the branches which will be shut does not include huge private sector banks like Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, but these 8 to 10 lakh employees represent a lot of all the public sector banks. They represent smaller private sector banks, foreign banks, and also some regional rural banks. And all of these put together, they are protesting. Now, what is the reason for this entire protest? Well, mainly the idea is to protest against the government's plans to privatize 3 public sector banks. These unions are saying that, there has been so many, the amount of haircuts that have been taken in the resolution process of big defaulting companies have been huge. And instead of, taking a focus and looking at the defaults that are occurring, the issues that are occurring within the banking system, the focus of the government is to privatize these banks, which is not a good idea according to these unions, and which is why they are protesting against the government's plans. Now, not just that, these unions are also protesting against the overall aggressive divestment drive of the government, the proposed GIC privatization, the hike in FDI in the insurance sector. So all of these matters is what against these unions are currently protesting. Now, what we also understand, what sort of an impact this has had. Well, the branches were shut. The branches will remain shut tomorrow as well. A lot of customers who are not aware that, the bank unions are on a strike, the bank employees are on a strike, had visited the branch. But we understand that, this is coming from the unions that 2 crores of checks and instruments worth around 16,500 crores have been held up for clearance. So that is the kind of impact that is coming in on customers. And services, of course, like loan approvals, deposits have been affected. Well, in fact, government treasury operations, normal banking transactions have been affected for these 2 days, apart from the fact that Saturday as well as Sunday the banks were shut. So this is what the unions are telling us. Some of the unions have also said that ATMs had run out of cash. There is a huge impact which will continue tomorrow as well.